If you're seeing the Epic Games network error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and effective fix that can help clear out stale network paths, reset your connection settings, and remove corrupted launcher cache files. This is a simple troubleshooting method that can save you a lot of time, especially if the Epic Games Launcher is refusing to connect, gets stuck online, or keeps showing network-related errors. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button if this helps, and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to open Command Prompt with administrator access, because these network reset commands need elevated permissions to work properly. Click the Windows Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Once the Command Prompt window is open, we'll enter a few commands, one by one. The first command is ipconfig/flush DNS. This clears your DNS cache and can help if your system is holding onto outdated network information. Type it in exactly as shown, then press Enter. After that, type netsh Winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the Windows network socket catalog, which can often fix connection problems caused by damaged network settings. Next, type netshint IP reset and press Enter. This resets the TCP/IP stack on your computer, which is another important step for repairing network issues. Once you've entered all three commands, go ahead and restart your computer. This restart is important because it allows Windows to fully apply the network reset changes. After your PC boots back up, we're going to clear EpicGamesLauncher cache files. Press Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %local AppData, then hit Enter. This opens the local AppData folder on your computer. Now look for the EpicGamesLauncher folder and open it. Inside that folder, open the Saved folder. In the Saved folder, you should see a folder named Webcache, and sometimes you may also see versions like Webcache_4147 or other Webcache variants. Select the Webcache folder and any similar Webcache folders, then delete them completely. These cached files can become corrupted and cause launch or network problems, so removing them forces EpicGamesLauncher to rebuild fresh data the next time it opens. Once that's done, close everything and launch Epic Games again. In many cases, this combination of resetting your network settings and deleting the launcher cache is enough to fix the Epic Games network error and get you back online. If it still doesn't work, you may want to double-check your internet connection, firewall settings, or VPN. But this fix solves the issue for a lot of users. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.